Hey scholars, happy Tuesday. We are starting a new unit today. We are going to be learning more about addition and subtraction, which is really important. It's really important that we know how to add for many different reasons. And one of those reasons, I was just thinking about this actually. So I went to the grocery store yesterday because I needed some food and I needed to know how to add when I was at the store. So I was actually using some of these same strategies that we're going to learn in second grade to figure out how much could I buy with the money that I had. Okay, so take a look here at our opener. We are going to be using tens frames today, and you actually have tens frames because I sent tens frames home with you with your learning kits at the beginning of the year. So you have turquoise or kind of a bluish color tens frame, and you have the yellow and red counters. And what I want you to do is I want you to pause the video and I want you to go get those tens frames, okay? Get your tens frames and I want you to set up your tens frame so it looks exactly like this. Go ahead and do that and then make sure you come back. All right, welcome back. If you pause the video and you got your tens frames, I want you to pat yourself on the back because using materials like our tens frames will help you learn. Now, if you lost your tens frame, just make sure you take some time to look for it. I had it in a little baggie, so all of your tens frames materials should be together, okay? Now, the question here, it says how many and how did you count them? Okay, how many, how did you count them? Pause the video and figure out how many and how would you tell me how you counted them? Alrighty, welcome back second graders. How many are there? There are 9. There are 9. How did you count them? Did you count like this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If you did, that's great. You could count by ones. Did you count like this? 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Did you count like that by twos and then add 1? Great. Did you count like this? Did you say 5, 6, 7, 8, 9? Awesome. Did anybody look at this and know it was 10 and just go 10 minus 1 is 9? Excellent. There are so many different ways to count, but there are 9. Now I want you to fill your 10 frames to look like this. You have one tens frame right now, and if you had 2, you could do this activity with 2 tens frames. But if you look at this tens frame, and if you look at this tens frame, how many do you have? You can use the tens frames you have, but if that's too tricky, you can also just look at the screen here, pause the video, and tell me how many. How did you count? Pause the video and then come back. Alrighty, welcome back. So there are different ways to solve this problem. If you look at this first tens frame is actually the exact same thing as the last slide we were on. This is 9, right? This is 9, and then this is 3. So could you do 9 plus 3? Yeah, you could say 9, 10, 11, 12, and you would get 12. Could you count each circle? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, you totally could. Could you move one of these circles over to make it 10? So you can take one of these circles, you can move it over here and make this 10 and say 10, 11, 12. There are many different ways to count, but there are 12. All right, now fill your 10 frames to look like this. Take a look. How many are there? How did you count? Pause the video and come back. All right, in this tens frame, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4. In this tens frame, we have 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 8. So we have 4 and we have 8. Could you count all of the circles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Could do that. Could you, let's see, could you count by twos? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Could do that too. There are many different ways you could find out how many there are using the tens frame. Take a look at this way. So this is the exact same problem. And they're asking us, is this a correct solution? Take a look. Check it out. Okay. So they moved 2 over and they said 4 plus 8 equals 10 plus 2. Is that correct? Yeah, it is. 4 plus 8 does equal 10 plus 2. 4 plus 8 equals 12, and 10 plus 2 equals 12. So what they did is they moved 2 of these counters over to make a 10 because it's easier to add with tens. And you would do 10 plus 2. 10 plus 2 equals 12. All right, second graders, thank you for watching the mini lesson. This is going to help you a lot with your activity on Seesaw. When you're completing your activity on Seesaw, I encourage you to use your tens frame to help you. You could also make a tens frame with a whiteboard. Easy peasy. You could make a rectangle and you could cut it in half, and then you could add 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lines going across. That's another option, especially if you lost your tens frames and your counters. All right, happy learning. Bye, second grade.